Y'all, my name is Krissy and welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in this quick holiday look, stay tuned. So right now I'm spraying the Max Prep Finish Spray and I'm going in with their primer. And then I'm going in with my Chanel foundation. I do about 2 to 3 pumps and then I dab it on my face with my finger. And then I buff it out with a buffing brush. Once that's done, I did my brows off camera. And with the remaining concealer, I am doing my under eyes, cupid's bow, and chin. I use like half a pump of the MAC concealer. And then I'm going in with my beauty blender to blend it out. After I blend it out, I'm going to set it with the Ben Nye Topaz powder. I just put enough so that I can, of course, set it, but not like bake or anything like that. And I'm doing that with all of the places that I placed the concealer. Move on to eyeshadow. I used a skin tone type of brown for the entire lid and then a darker purple on the outer corner, and I'm blending that out. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm not that strong with eyeshadow applications, so I only do maybe 2 to 3 colors. So once I blend out the outer corners, I am going to go in with the brown again just to kind of add a little bit back, and then go in with mascara on the top and bottom lashes. Then I'm going to go in with the liquid eyeliner. I also do not have a strong wing, so I just kind of outline that. And then I'm going on with a tiny bit of contour and blending that out. And then a dab on the nose, just a tiny bit, and blending that as well. Once that's done, I'm going to set the under eye. Sometimes I go in with more concealer, so that's why I set again. And then I'm setting the contour. And I'm using the MAC palette. Could barely open these lashes, but then I'm going to apply my lashes. Shout out to Prestigious Minx. You can follow her on Instagram at Prestigious Minx. So I am going to finish applying those and underline my lower lash line with mascara and pencil. And then I'm adding blush. And then going all over my face with a setting powder, I guess you can call it. But the kind of just goes over your face. I don't know. Then I'm going in with a highlight. I believe this is the Sephora highlight palette. And I use the middle to gold. And I do it in my cupid's bow and in between my eyes. And then I just pinch my brush to get my brow bone. Then I'm going in with a brown lip liner. This one is from MAC. I can't remember the name, but it's like the common one. And then I'm going to go in with the black eyeliner as a lip pencil. Now I tried a different red, so that's why my lips are already red, but I'm going in with a ColourPop red since it's the holidays. And then I'm just going to go over with the eyeliner again just to kind of darken the creases a little bit more. Now after I did that, I added some black eyeshadow to the corners. The purple wasn't dark enough, and then I kind of wanted to cover it up. But that's what I did. And then I added just a little sparkle on the tear ducts, I guess, or the inner corner of your eye. And then that's it. This is the finished look. It took me all of about 30 minutes, so if you have to go to a last minute event, this would be perfect for you. The top I wore is from Aliexpress, and then I have a close-up of the look. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you and happy holidays.